This is the ancient art of rope tying, 10 essential knots. Skills that shaped survival, but some are at risk of being forgotten. We begin with the firewood binding knot. Simple, secure, and perfect for bundling. Next, the towing knot, fast, strong, and essential for a non-load-bearing hold. Number 3. Handle knot. A clever wrap that gives you a stronger grip on any tool or handle. Fourth, the versatile waist binding knot. Quick, reliable, and perfect for tying bundles of vegetables or loose items. Fifth, the ladder knot. A functional design that turns rope into steps for climbing or escape. Number 6. The fabric corner. Knot, a smart way to tie rope to a bag or cloth without tearing it apart. Now, the salvage knot. A rescue method to recover items dropped into tight spaces. The 8th is the intricate key. Knot, clean, compact, and ideal for securing lanyards or chains to small openings. Number 9. The reshaped seal knot. The strongest way to close and lock a heavy sack. And finally, the pulley knot. A power knot that multiplies your strength to lift or drag heavy loads. Want to master these 10 essential knots? Hit like, save this video, and never lose these skills again.